Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. Y'all, guess what I seen in the store? Y'all don't talk about my hair, okay? I know I said I was gonna leave my hair in until June, y'all, but I think that she's coming out, y'all, like this weekend. Guess what your girl came across, okay? The Warheads Sour Peach Soda. Okay, y'all? We're going to try this, and we're going to see if it's good or not, y'all. I want y'all to comment down below and let your girl know if y'all had it before, or let me know if y'all had any of the Warhead sodas, and let me know how y'all liked it, y'all. I'm about to see what it's busting on or what it's not hitting on, okay, y'all? I'm so scared because it sounds so nasty. I know, to me, I love peach soda, but a sour peach soda, y'all, I don't know about. But we're about to see. I did clean my can, y'all. Always make sure y'all wash y'all cans, because it's nasty if you don't. Okay? And 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Ooh. Hold on, y'all. I gotta try it again. Let me take another sip, and then I'm gonna let y'all know my thoughts. Give me a second. Oh. Okay, y'all. Ooh. Excuse me. Y'all. Oh. Oh. It's sour, y'all. Let me tell y'all what it tastes like, though. It tastes like a peach Jolly Rancher to me. Do y'all, I don't know if they still have peach Jolly Ranchers in, like, the Jolly Rancher bag. But I know growing up, y'all, like, our Jolly Rancher bags used to have peach inside of it, y'all. And it tastes just like a peach Jolly Rancher. And it is sour. We also had sour Jolly Ranchers growing up, too. Now, I don't even know if they still have that or not, y'all. Because I'm no longer a candy eater. I used to be a candy eater growing up, y'all. But then when I got older, I just stopped eating candy. But comment down below and let your girl know if they still have peach Jolly Ranchers and if they still have the sour Jolly Ranchers. And I don't mean like the gummy ones. I mean like the hard Jolly Ranchers, the hard candies, okay? Y'all, I'm going to take another sip because I'm going to save some for my son because he wants to try, y'all. But this right here, y'all, is actually not bad. If you like sour stuff, it's not bad. I'm not big on sour stuff, y'all. So to me, it's a little too sour. Like, I probably just appreciate it just a regular old peach soda, but that's not what it's supposed to be. So for what it's supposed to be, y'all, it's actually not bad. Ooh. That sour taste, y'all, hits you in the back of your throat. Excuse me, y'all. Ugh. That sour taste literally smacks you in the back of your throat. I ain't lying. But, y'all, is it bad? No, it's not bad. To me, it's just a little too sour. But, oh. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Y'all, I would say try it. If you like if you a sour candy eater, you like sour things, you will enjoy this. You can taste. Y'all, my palate is still sour. My mouth is watering, okay? You can taste the sour and you can taste the peach. So, y'all, I say try it. If you like sour stuff, try it. But to me, it tastes just like a peach Jolly Rancher, but just a sour Jolly Rancher. But y'all, this right here was a win to me, you know. Outside of, I don't like sour stuff, but to me, it's a win to me. So I say try it. All right, y'all. Bye.